Hello my lovelies, I am back with a nail tutorial today. Whoop whoop. So I'm showing you how to create a very easy peasy tie-dye nail art using colourful acrylic powders. Here I'm applying one thin layer of white gel polish, and you're going to be curing this for 30 seconds in a LED lamp. And obviously it's going to have a tacky layer. That's what we want. You could probably hear my canary bird singing along. So I'm applying that on all my fingers. So here we are, all fingers done, all 5 fingers. So I'm using this damping tool. I forgot the exact name, but you can find it on Amazon, eBay. If you're in Cyprus, you can find these in jumbo, and they're so inexpensive. These are all my colourful acrylic powders, and again, you can use this. You can find these from eBay or Amazon. In here, I am applying in small sections, and you need to press in really well. You need to make sure that product is really sticking onto your gel polish. And you just dip into each color. You don't have to be perfect at this. It's meant to all mesh in together, as you can see. And it's just such a pretty nail art, and it's super easy. You can do this with gel polishes, but I find this very easy to do. And it just looks so pretty, especially now for summer. I love it. And now we are going to use a soft brush and removing the excess powder, as you can see. So then it's ready to apply our top coat. And some people think, oh, but the powder might move or it might smudge. No, if you really work that powder into your gel, and then you dust it off really well with a soft brush, then there will be no issues applying your gel top coat. If you do get any powder on your brush, on your top coat brush, make sure you have a clean tissue and wipe it off before putting it back into your bottle, so you're not contaminating it with colourful powder. Look how pretty that is already, guys. Like, that's just beautiful. I know my lighting is terrible. I need to still practice how to film good nail tutorials, so bear with me, guys. I want to do a lot more nail videos. I've kind of mastered how to place the camera to film for you guys to see it properly, but I need to figure out, the right positioning and lighting, but I'll get there, guys. I promise. I want to do a lot more nail videos to show people that want to learn, or just people that just enjoy watching them. I know a lot of people find it satisfying just to watch nail videos. You can apply 1 or 2 coats, depends on how you feel. Look at that, guys. gonna add some nail accessories, my favorite part, crystals, gems, whatever you want to call them. I love it. So I apply my IBD hard gel to apply my rhinestones and crystals. It really helps them last longer. And once you apply it, then you add on your gems. You have to cure the IBD hard gel or most hard gels for 2 minutes in an LED lamp. 2 minutes. Once you have cured the gems, I'm going to apply another coat on that ring finger with the gems on and placing the top gel close enough to the gems, not on top because they're going to lose their shine, just to secure them a little bit more and make the nail smooth in case any hard gel kind of stringed along. Then you cure that for a good minute in your LED lamp. Here I am using my SC cuticle oil. Cuticle oil is very important. It gives you that finishing touch, making your cuticles look shiny and, you know, hydrated looking, and it smells amazing. But you can use any cuticle oil. There's so many out there. And this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this very quick, easy tie-dye nails. Now that summer's here, well, slowly approaching, it's spring right now, but in Cyprus it feels like it's summer. They are perfect for such beautiful sunny days. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.